welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button, it would mean the world to me. If you are already part of my little sub family, thank you so much. So today is just another Tesco haul. So I used the click and collect service again. Today it costs £2. I went for the earliest collection time and I will show you what we are having for our meals. This is one of the books that I will be using this week, which is the Pinch and On book, and I'm going to be using it to make this recipe. Then I will also be using the Joe Wicks veggie book to make some cheesy French toast. So that is going to be like one of our breakfasts. And the final book that I'm going to be using this week is this other Pinch of Naan book to make corned beef hash patties. I'm also going to be trying to make the beef in red wine, which looks like this, which is also from the first Pinch and On book. I am going to be making steak with jacket potatoes, onions, mushrooms, as a nice quick easy meal throughout the week as well. So let's see what I picked up. It's a big shop this week. I'm going to start with the dog food. I got Charlie some chicken and rice and turkey and rice, which is the Caesar one. And you've got the winner lot, which I know he enjoys, which is turkey, beef and chicken, all with potatoes and vegetables. You get 12 pouches in that pack. I'm trying to give him like a variety of different flavours, just so he doesn't get bored, because he was not eating his food, so I'm just trying to see if he prefers something else. I also got him some of the Tesco pate with chicken, which this is a really big portion for him because he's only a little dog, so he'll be having half of that. I picked up some of the squirty cream for hot chocolates because it's getting to that time of the year. I got a bag of mixed salad, a bag of spinach, some green beans and some Hovis Granary wholemeal bread for the Joe Wicks breakfast. The Muller Lights were on offer. It's 8 for £3, so I got the banana and custard flavour, smooth toffee and I got strawberry. Again, with the semi-skimmed milk, it is a must in this house. I picked up these President mini cheeses. I just thought these would be good to put inside pack-ups for work. I got some of the soft cheese for one of the meals, the shallots for the beef with the wine, some Wild Rocket, some more of the bunny bites to take to work, this granulated sweetener, which is like the vegan version. I don't think it's been selling very well, so it's been reduced to 90p. Got some of the jumbo kitchen towels, a big bottle of fairy liquid. Again, this is on offer for £2. Some of the smaller one, which is 33p. So what I do is I take this big bottle and I fill the little one up, so then I've only got the little one on the side. Got some of the Carantino oil for cooking, a big pack of eggs, some easy peelers to take to work, some of the Cadbury's mini rolls with raspberry. These were on offer as well. I think they're half price at the moment. Some of the custard creams, which Dan loves, some wagon wheels. I got a bottle of the Vimto squash again. This one is a smaller bottle, but it's on offer at £1. I got some of the apple squash and the blackcurrant one. Got some of the Bisco beef gravy, some mushy peas, which isn't for one of the meals, but sometimes when I send Dan to the butcher's, he always comes back with a pie, so that's just in case he does that again. I've got some tinned new potatoes in water. If I can't be bothered to cook and I need to whip something up quickly, then this is a good alternative. Some Dijon mustard for one of the meals, some of the corned beef for the patties, a bunch of loose bananas. They didn't have any Savoy cabbages this week, so I went with a white cabbage, some mushrooms to go with the steak, 4 onions for some of the meals, some tomatoes, then some baby plum tomatoes. Potatoes again, I always go for these potatoes because they are really cheap. They're like 91p. I got some red grapes to snack on, some carrots. I only needed 4, some frozen carrots, some frozen cauliflower and some frozen garden peas. I like to have frozen veg in the freezer just so it is there and it doesn't go off as quickly. I needed to stock up on those, and I also wanted some more of the McCain's jacket potatoes. I take these to work with me, or if I'm at home on my own and I can't really be bothered to cook, I'll just pop one of these in and I'll just have a jacket potato. Finally, on to the last bits now. I got some of the Colgate Triple Action mouthwash, some more pegs, some of the Reese's rounds. These are a chocolate biscuit with the Reese's peanut butter in them, coated in chocolate, so I just really fancied them. I've never tried them before, so we'll see what they're like. Some Milky Way and some Freddos. These are for snacking and potentially taking to work in our pack-ups. So that has been everything on my Tesco food shop. It is still really early, so I'm going to make some breakfast. If you've watched this till the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully see you again soon, but for now, goodbye!